Boom shakalaka, a massive flip happening for Bitcoin and for altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Brando here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including a massive flip happening for Bitcoin, and altcoins are also in for a big move. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, it helps out a lot. Now today, fear and greed at 73, same as we were yesterday. The overall market though, up almost 3% today. Bitcoin at 43,097, Ethereum at 23.81, BNB at 323, Solana at 105, XRP 64 cents, Cardano 64 cents, Avalanche $41, and Dogecoin 9 cents. And Bitcoin breaking through this uptrend support. Will we remain here roughly 43? Could we fall down to the support at roughly 40,000, or will price actually take off? Good questions. We will be taking a look at that in today's video. Now, where we are in terms of the halving, you can see this cycle in red right here is pretty much in the middle of previous cycles, the yellow, the blue, the orange, right in the mix of things. But we also have the ETF deadline coming up soon. Possible acceptance or rejections within the week could definitely impact price. And some people are saying that 45,000-ish was a mid-cycle top for Bitcoin. We could be seeing a massive correction after that. If we take a look at the descending mid-cycle top trend here, each time we reach that, there was a correction between 38 and 53% from that top before price took off once again. Now, should we see that, a 33% correction would bring Bitcoin price down to $30,000. So it's definitely possible, potentially with the 6 month of sideways movement, not seeing anything until roughly May of next year. But if we take a look based on Christmases alone, generally Christmas has a near bottom and then up, up, up before we get to the top for the last Christmas. Well, we had Christmas near the bottom, we had up one, we still have two more ups before potential near top. So things are looking good. History often rhymes. If we take a look, we have a breakout from this wedge formation that previously caused the parabolic curve. Right now, Bitcoin price is sitting right at the top of that. Should price break above this $43,000 level, we could maybe see that curve happening a lot sooner, especially when you take a look at the flip right here. Don't get caught in lower time frames. The bull run is here. It doesn't mean it won't test you with turmoils. If you zoom out and take a look at the Chaikin money flow, when there's a flip from negative to positive, telling us the money's leaving the market to entering the market, you can see right now it just flipped. Now, historically, when it flipped, was it the part that separated accumulation phase from the bull run? It looks like money is coming into the market. Looks like we are on the verge of the massive bull run. Also, the OBV indicator, on balance volume, one of the few indicators that is a leading indicator for Bitcoin. Historically, breaking previous all-time highs means a new all-time high was no more than 2 months away. So we could be seeing a new all-time high for Bitcoin within 2 months and a top within 6 to 10 months, potentially by October of 2024. Taking a look at this chart on half-year candles, 6 months candles, not something you'd want to have zero exposure to. Once it comes back to previous all-time highs on the candle bodies, it's not long before we see massive moves. And you can see all-time high on the candle body. We are back at that critical level right now, likely in for some massive moves for Bitcoin. But that's not all, because the last time the Bitcoin dominance touched or dropped below the EMA 50 on the monthly chart, which we can see right here, saw very strong alt seasons shortly afterwards. You can see here 2020 and 2021 alt seasons where the Bitcoin dominance dropped significantly. Right now we have Bitcoin dominance dropping below the EMA 50, also this resistance trend line likely having a strong alt season coming. As a matter of fact, sequential rally mode, Tron, Chainlink, Solana, Matic, which one is going to be next for the altcoins, as they are all starting to rally. In terms of rallies, it looks like the 2024-2025 bull run will be a season of parabolic movement for alts. You can see right here, breaking out from there there is a lot higher to go for a bull peak, and altcoins as well, flipping out of the accumulation territory into bull run territory. Right now, you can see this long period of sideways consolidation right now starting to break up, and things tend to move very, very quickly for altcoins once they start moving. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.